Elevate your bedroom with this refined 6-piece modern set, including a queen bed, 2 nightstands, a dresser, a mirror, and a chest, thoughtfully designed for both style and convenience. The bed showcases a headboard with a fluted design and rounded edges on both headboard and footboard, creating a contemporary silhouette. Each nightstand includes an open shelf with a motion-activated light and USB ports, while the chest and dresser offer spacious storage with fluted side panels, ball-bearing glides, and English dovetail construction for lasting durability. Completing the set, a bold oval-shaped beveled mirror with a rich wood border adds a striking focal point to your space.
Thank you for watching my videos. If you like the product shown, please click the order link in the description section. Feel free to comment, share the video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to be notified when new products videos are uploaded. Take care and stay safe. See you next time.